Roedd y Fflint ac Aberystwyth yn awyddus i ddringo'n glir o'r ddau isa bnawn Sadwrn. Ond chwalwyd gobeithio'n Aberystwyth o gadw llechan lan am y tro cyntaf tymor yma wedi Liam Walsh o dan bwysau gan Acbro droi'r bel i rwyd ei hun wedi dim ond 6 munud. Dyblwyd mantais y tîm cartra 5 munud yn ddiweddarach wedi ergyd rymus o Cera Simmons ffeindio ei ffordd drwy'r res o ymddiffynwyr ac i gefn yr hwyd. Doedd pethau ddim gwell i Aber yn yr ail hanner y chwaith. 2 funud wedi'r egwyl, bachodd Zach Clark i bedwaredd mewn 2 gêm ers ymuno ar Fflint a ffeinio croesiad tailygara teibio Matthew Turner. Daeth y bedwaredd i'r Fflint wedi Billy Kirkman lorio Clark yn y cwrt Cosby gyda Kirkman yn derbyn cardyn melyn am ei drefferthion a Jean-Louis Acbro gyda chymorth o postyn yn sgorio o 12 llath i 5 am y tymor. A'r tro cyntaf o daro 5 mewn unrhyw gyngred ers gwneud hynny i'r amweithig yn yr adran gyntaf 7 blynedd yn ôl. Cwblhawyd y grasfa wrth i'r Fflint fanteisio unwaith eto ar amddiffyn llac Aberystwyth. Croesiad cyfan ffeindio'i ffordd at Brandon Diaw ar y postyn pella a chaiff yr Almaenwr fyth gol haws.
Mae mor agos lawr y gwylod. Mae pob yn dweud da ni'n sbio ymlaen, da chi'n gorau sbio tu nôl hefyd. So mae bob un gêm wwan, da chi'n chwarae yn erbyn tîm sy'n un y reit o dan chi, un y reit o'ch ben chi. So mae y gêm yn really down.
It was brilliant. We've had a good 2 weeks and the lads deserve what they did because they've sacrificed a lot over this last 2 weeks. We had a bit of team bonding, we've had a lot of physical work. We played against Fleetwood in midweek and we drew them 1-1, the 23s. And we've just seen that performance coming since the Ponty Pryd. I've said it all season on Scorio in terms of we've just been missing the person to put the ball in the back of the net. And 2 games, 9 goals, the facts speak for themselves.
We've got to be more consistent. We played Carnarvon last game and we were outstanding. But that's been us for the season. We've been very good or very bad. So we need that more consistency level. We can't go week in, week out of being excellent and then not so good. So it starts again. We've got a fantastic home form. I know we have. And we go against Ponty next week.
Just a little word about Harvey Drass. He came on at the end. Youngest player to play for Flint?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah. He's 16 years and 10 months, so I've always promised the academy kids at this club I will put him on, especially in a pressure game like that. Yes, we were 5-0 up and it was a bit easy to give him the minutes, but ultimately if I see something in these kids, I'll play him. We're a young team other than obviously Jay, Danny and John Louis, but other than that I think we're quite a young, hungry team.